This is the H10 Rubicon Palace in Playa Blanca, Lanzarote. This is our tour. We'll have a quick peek at our room here on the 5th floor. It's 7 p.m, Friday the 17th of January. And as you can see, we're greeted by a stunning sunset. So we'll give you a full room tour later, stay around for that. And of course we'll tell you about the costs and so on. Right now let's come and walk through the hotel grounds and find the buffet restaurant. Here on the left is a Japanese restaurant. It's one of the specialty restaurants. And we're here for half board, 7 nights, so we get to try 3 of these specialty restaurants. The evening buffet is open between 7 and 9. And there's Yvonne, walking, not running, to the buffet. Very impressive. The food looks pretty amazing. And we're pescatarian, so it's good to see there's loads of vegan, there's vegetarian, there's fish options. It's really nice because it's still warm enough to sit outside. And look, January, staring wistfully out to the sunset. And here's just one of our plates. Well, let's take in the desserts. And I think it'd be rude not to have one of each, perhaps. And I love the Art Deco, by the way, look at this. And this is one of the bars, the piano bar. And there's another entertainment area downstairs with bands and comedians, but this is my spot this evening. And this is a heated pool, this one. Some of the others aren't, they're cold pools. We like cold water pools, don't mind them at all, we're used to them in Madeira. And here we are, pancakes, Nutella. Do you see that huge tub of Nutella? It's that other handsome young man again. So we're sitting out on the deck this morning. Why wouldn't you? So the hotel itself, I think, was just really nicely laid out. Lots of light. We travel a lot, so we don't normally stay in 5-star hotels, but this is excellent. And you use these screens too if you want to book your specialty restaurant. Again, we had 3 nights, so we went to the show night, which is in front of you. Went to Sakura. But for our 3rd night, we decided to stay with a buffet. So this is La Choza here. This is the snack bar in the day, but it's also a steakhouse in the evening. And you've also got Italian here. And there's an international dining area where they do show cooking, and this is Sakura, so this is where we had our meal. This was the tuna, and this was just a starter. And you got the bistro here, which we didn't go in, but that's open during the day. And you got Mike's coffee shop, that's open between 11 and 6. So Playa Blanca, which is where we're staying, is right down the bottom of the island here. And you can see over to the left, this is where the hotel is. Just outside, you've got Red Mountain Beach with its little beach bars. And in the other direction, 23 minutes, you've got Flamingo Beach. And that's on the way to Playa Blanca here, which is another 20 minutes further on. Okay, let's have the room tour. Here, the view of the sea, out to the islands. Wi-Fi was pretty good. TV on the wall. Nice little desk for a bit of editing. So double room, 2 people, 7 nights in mid-January. How much do you think it cost? Half board? Well, €891. And the weather? Amazing. Really hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the Rubicon Palace, and we've got loads more on our channel from Lanzarote and also all around the world. So, see you on the next one.